Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Pain when cracking your knuckles isn't normal and could indicate joint inflammation, ligament injury, or arthritis. Cracking alone doesn't cause arthritis, but persistent pain, swelling, or stiffness should be evaluated by a healthcare professional to prevent worsening issues. Don't ignore these symptoms. Getting a proper diagnosis is important.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.